You the truth and the truth, man. Living proof, residue through the burnt wrapper. All because of you, I let loose like I ain't gathering. Blue strip, take trips right after.
Okay, so we're gonna start off on some clean, moisturized skin. We have a spoolie and we're going to just brush our eyebrows. Of course, you could use a mirror, you know, so that you can get that close up. And then we're gonna start off with the Profusion Cosmetics from the Brow makeup case. These are the colors that they have, and we're gonna start off with the ash brown eyebrow pencil. Okay, this is the first time I've ever used this, and I mean, it gives you more of a natural look. So I'm just gonna lightly go under my eyebrow line, okay? And then I'm going to brush down with the spoolie. Not too hard, just very lightly. And then go across my eyebrow. And then follow my natural eyebrow line, okay? So then I'm going to brush back up. Check me out. All right, so the eyebrow wax, and we're gonna use I think it's the soft brown. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just brush upward. And it's just shading, giving us that shade where, you know, we don't have that much hair in the front. And then we're gonna take the chocolate and then we're gonna fill in those spaces, honey, okay? Where we're lacking, you know, those spaces that, you know, we messed up in high school where we was plucking and tweezing, yeah. So we're gonna take the Pro Conceal. I got the color of Pure Beige. And I normally use toffee, but I'm just gonna use what I got, you know what I'm saying? To get what we want. I'm just playing, but yeah. Take the concealer brush and just even out the concealer, you know, make it nice and smooth. And then we're gonna clean up, you know, the little mess that we made with the eyebrow pencil, you know, if it was uneven. And then I have Jordana's Complete Cover. It's basically like a 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, and I forgot the color I got. I'll put it in the description. But yes, I'm just gonna go over my eyebrow and I'm just gonna just sculpt it out, and so I can get the nice shape that I want. And then I'm gonna take some of that concealer from Jordana and mix it with the Pro Conceal, because you know the Pure Beige is kind of ashy looking, so I don't want it to look ashy. Just kind of want it to have that like the little yellow tone, because I got yellow under my skin, a more warm tone. You feel me? And then I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and then we're just gonna go ahead and give you that one little glimpse, overall look. And then bam, we got 2. Hey, before and after. Okay, she's done. Okay, she's fine. Okay, who that is? Hey, okay, fine, I'm gone. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Have a great day, and I'll see you until next time.
Thanks guys for watching, and I want you to take a minute and look at my last video. Love you guys, and squad.